Hi everyone, today we will understand how Tomato Pro app works. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, this app is available in multi-language. Right now we have added two languages, English and Hindi. You can add as many languages as you want. And after that just enter your ID and password, and yeah, this is the home page of Tomato. You can shop by stores. You can click on any store available. You can shop by category also like this. And all the stores available in that category will show. You can click on any store. You can seize products, you can shop by category in a particular store also. You can add products to cart like this. You can see the details of the products like this. You can increase the quantity also like this. You can view cart, and after that you can check out and add coupon code to get the discount. You can pay online or pay by COD, and yeah, the order has been placed. So now the store will receive a new order like this. With this voice, he can accept or cancel the order. He can see all the details of the orders in his orders section. He can see all the products like this and add new products also. He can see his earnings also over here. So now the delivery man will receive a new order notification in his app. He can accept the order and see the customer details in the app. He can go to the store and pick up the order, and the customer can also call the driver or see the direction of him, or he can live track the driver. The delivery man will need to enter a pin that has been arrived in the customer app. That is why now to click on delivered, the delivery man has to enter a pin that comes in the customer app. This functionality is done to avoid any misorder or to avoid any fraudery in the order, so it can be confirmed that the order has been received, and yeah, the order is confirmed. So that's how Tomato Pro app works. If you have any of the query, you can directly contact your consultant or comment below so our team can call you back. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.